Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter account opening balance in Zoho Books. This is essential when you're migrating to Zoho Books or starting fresh, as it ensures all your financial data reflects accurately from day one. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access, as you'll need proper permissions to configure opening balances. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look at the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon labeled Settings. This is your control center for all configuration options in Zoho Books, and it's where we'll set up your opening balances. Now, at the top part of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Type in opening balances under Setup and Configuration. This will take you directly to the opening balance setup page, saving you time navigating through multiple menus. The first thing you'll need to do is enter the opening balance date. This is typically the date you start using Zoho Books or your migration date from another accounting system. Choosing the correct date is crucial as it determines when your financial records officially begin in the new system. Next, click Import Opening Balance to add accounts for which you need to enter an opening balance by uploading a file. Zoho Books gives you the flexibility to import multiple account types, but you can choose which fields to import based on your needs. For this video, we'll import accounts receivable, which represents the money customers owe you. Under the Accounts Receivable tab, look at the right part of the selection bar and click Import. This will take you to the next stage where you'll upload your data file. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to the import page. Click Choose File to select the accounts receivable file you want to import from your computer, then click Next. Make sure your file is in the correct format, typically CSV or Excel, with all customer balances properly listed. Now comes an important step. Review all the mapping fields and match them correctly. This ensures that each column in your file aligns with the correct field in Zoho Books, preventing data mismatches. Once you've verified that everything is mapped properly, click Next. Finally, click Import to finalize your account's opening import. Zoho Books will process your data and populate your opening balances. You can now manage your accounts with accurate starting figures. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.